welcome to my fine Scotsman restore. That's my original body with his original tender. It's completely dead motor. But from Great Eastern, I found another one for 10 quid. It had bashed up valve gear, so that's no oil on that one. And the existing valve gear was all on this. So that now works. So 2 Flying Scotsmans to become 1. This one's now going to cease becoming a Flying Scotsman, so I'm in the process of denumbering it badly. Yeah, so 2 Flying Scotsmen to become 1. Sorry about the shaky angle. I am using my phone. So it's my first little model railway update. Yeah, the motor was completely trashed on my OG one, and I can't be arsed with England. So this is just our rolling shell. It can probably be pulled by a train or another loco and do like a fake double header. So yeah. Anyway, cheers. I'll catch you soon.